Morning all, here we are, Saturday, July 8th I believe it is. Getting ready to leave Whitehorse. On my way to Alaska today, about 5.5 hours away according to Google Maps. Holy crap. Unfortunately, I've seen that a few times on this trip. Tell you what, there's times up here, the wind, maybe that's what happened to that trailer back there, it's been no joke. So if you're pulling something big, just be aware. I'll be honest, I'm not really sure exactly what this is, but I had to make a U-turn and come back and check it out. My name is Douglas Richard Twice II, born in Whitehorse. I spent my first years with my parents in Beaver Creek. Big brother Stephanie. Wow, learned to love the land from my horseback hunting trips with my father. Cool. Wow, he died awful young. Well, that sucks. Wow, this is one hell of a memorial. I hope you don't get motion sickness too easily on this road, because there sure are a lot of frost heaves where kind of like a roller coaster at times on this road. So if you're prone to car sickness, bring your Dramamine pills. Oh, I think there's something wrong with me. I'm starting to enjoy all these frost heaves. It's like, whee! I'm sure it wouldn't be as much fun in a car or as a truck, but oh, that was just a mild one too. There's some of these have been like a literal roller coaster. Not that I like roller coasters, but it's just kind of fun the way me and the bike has been just... And the cool thing about Canada has been they put up these signs like that warns you about the frost heaves. Like this section right here that I probably could have avoided by going a little bit to the right. I just chose not to. Here's some more coming up. Sometimes when they look really bad, you just gotta stand up and let your knees do their thing. But it's the little things that make a trip, right? Well, this time when they said loose gravelly conditions, they meant it. Last time it was chip and seal and it was in good shape. This time it's loose gravel. Yeah, I passed a couple of Harley guys back there, one two up, one solo. They were having a rough time of these frost heaves. I feel for them. Well, there she is, Alaska. I've not crossed the border officially. It is now State 50. Notice 35 miles per hour, and not kilometers. Customs 1,000 feet ahead. We are back on Imperial, and I lost another hour, even though my GPS hasn't updated. We are now on Alaska time, which makes me 4 hours different than Ohio. Alright, I gotta shut this off. Well, welcome back to the United States. Talking to the lady here, flagging everybody down. There's our pilot car. I guess this is going on for 20 or 30 miles. Oh boy. But the cool thing is they let the bikes go first. It helps keep them out of some of the dirt and debris. She said most of it should be on the new pavement though. There's going to be a few gnarly sections, she was warning me. But hey, if I dump it, there's plenty of help around, right? Well, here we are coming into Tok, Alaska. Fast Eddie's Restaurant, pizza, snacks, and sandwiches. Hey, that's where we're going, Fast Eddie's. Granted, I know a pizza shop by the name of Fast Eddie's in Belleville, Ohio, and it's actually really good pizza. Well, hi all. Welcome back to Sunday, July 9th, I think. Just getting on the road at 7 a.m. local time, 11 a.m. my Ohio time, and leaving the town of Tok. Headed for another cabin. Yeah, I know, roast me in the comments for not camping, but I'm sorry, I like comfort. I'll camp when I need to. But anyway, I'm headed for some cabins just outside of Talkeetna, just on the south side, and I am going to take a break day. I will be there 2 days. This is the first open gas I have seen in 140 miles. Don't take chances with your fuel, people. Well, we are coming into home for the next couple of days. So there you have it, fellow bikers out there. If you're going to stay here, you do have a little bit of gravel to deal with, but today it's really hard pack. I mean, you got a little bit of loose stuff here and there, but I don't think a cruiser would even have a problem with this. Oh, here we are on the left. I think he said I'm the second one on the left. Cabin number 3. Yep, number 3. My room for the night. My front door. My bedroom. My bathroom. My living room. And my kitchen. I'll be here for 2 days, chilling. Well, I think by stupid luck, I picked the right day as a rest day because this is the first rain of my trip. And I'm staying inside where it's nice and cool and dry, even though there's still mosquitoes. Hey, how's my hair look today? Does it look all right? Today is Monday, July 10th. I am just south of Talkeetna. I am at this, God, what is it called? RV Wilderness Lodge. It's another log cabin. I'll be posting a video of my accommodations here, but I just wanted to give you a quick update that after being on the road for like 10-11 days, I'm taking a break today. I'm just gonna chill here before I start heading north. We should get some good video if I don't get eaten by a bear of the wilderness and all that out there, even though it was raining this morning. It's a whopping 50 degrees. Bring mosquito repellent. Holy crap, they are vicious. I'm gonna post a picture right here. This is what the screen looked like last night after just having the windows open for a while to let some cool air in, because it was just a bit hot and stuffy in here. Wow. And then I did fight a few mosquitoes last night trying to sleep, to the point to where I don't know how they got in, where they came from. Maybe they were left over from just coming in and out of the door. I finally had to get my off and put some off on to be able to get some sleep, because I got several bites and I killed several of them last night before I finally got to sleep. So be careful if you come here. The host, he greeted me. He was awesome. It's actually super quiet here, and that's what I wanted. I just wanted a place to completely veg. They've got great Wi-Fi, so you can plan your trips, look at your maps, do whatever you got to do, pay bills. Highly recommend the place. I'm not going to talk about money because it depends on how you book it. I went through hotels.com and it seemed like I got a pretty good deal. If you're in the area and you want something to stay here. No, he's not paying me. He doesn't even know I'm doing this. It is a half-mile down a gravel road for those of you on touring bikes and cruisers, but it was very good hard pack. I don't think you'll have a problem. All right, I'm gonna go eat my Pop-Tarts I bought. Oh, that's another thing. There's really nothing super close by to eat. At the intersection here, there is like a little, I don't want to use the term fast food, but there is a gas station with a Subway. There is some like Thai things. Talkeetna, I think I've probably already brought it up in the video at this point, but oh my God, it was a major disaster tourist area. The Princess Cruise Lines, for those of you my age in their 40s and 50s who remember the Love Boat, yeah, that Princess, they had these giant tour buses coming into that town, and oh, it was packed. I tried to do a U-turn to get the heck out of there, and there was this woman pushing a carriage, eating her ice cream, so oblivious that I was literally right behind her trying to do a U-turn to get out of town. No idea I was behind her. She just, you know, just come on, people. Anyway, I gotta quit saying anyway. I say that too often. Let's go explore here in a couple of hours after I get a shower with soap that's supposed to help be bug resistant, but I'm still getting doused in off. There's a river nearby, and let's get on to that, shall we? Yeah, about this. That off spray, I think it's more of an attractant than a repellent. I am getting completely swarmed right now, to the point where this is kind of abort the mission. I mean, this is horrific right now. I mean, I knew the mosquitoes were bad here, but geez, this off doesn't seem to be doing anything. Okay, I hope you can hear me. I've resorted to this to try to get a walk in out here in the woods to go see this river. Tried earlier, even with the off and everything, way too bad. Tell you what, even wearing all this, it's hard to put up with these damn mosquitoes. They're not getting in at least, but man, are they swarming me. Crap everywhere. Come on, man, pick up after yourself.